Welcome back, guys, and today we're going to be talking about how to host multiple bots on one server. So what I mean by one server is one IP address. So let's go to DigitalOcean. So we're gonna go to DigitalOcean, okay? So as you can see, this is my project. This is my server. And you can see that I have two different domains because I have two bots on the same exact IP address. So yeah. So what you want to do is make your domains on the same server. So you want to go to your project, click manage, click networking, and go to domains, and you want to connect it to the same server. You see how these two are connected to the same exact server? So what you want to do is type in your domain, and then you select, we're going to select this, and then we're going to type in our domain, and it's going to connect it to that same server. Okay, so once you add your domain, you should be good to go. And now what you want to do is go to Bitvice, and then you want to go to our GitHub. So like from the last video, you want to go to our GitHub, and you're gonna do the same thing with this. You're gonna click this, download zip, extract it, all of that stuff, and you're gonna log in to this server. So you're gonna use one server, log into it, and once you're logged in, we're gonna open up this, and once you download it, you're gonna find download, and then you're going to upload it into the root folder. So you're gonna take the bot like this, and then you're gonna upload it to here. So then you'll see bot, bot 2, bot 3, and so on. So that's what you want, okay? And then what you want to do, once you do that, you want to open up the terminal, do sudo apt get, and then you want to do upgrade, type enter, press enter, goes through all the steps. Then you want to do sudo apt get update, so that it'll add the packages like normal. And then you want to go cd, and then go into the bot folder, and once you're in the bot folder, so like cd bot, like that, once you're in, you want to do npm install, press enter, and then that's all you need to do. And it basically, if you open up that bot folder, what it will do is it'll install this folder right here, and the update and the upgrade thing that you did, basically it updates it with the dependencies from these files when you do that. So it grabs the dependencies. Every time you add a bot, you're gonna do that. So it's only like 3 commands pretty much, and that's how you do it. And also, every time you add a bot, you want to change the port. So you want to open up Visual Studio Code. And so you want to open up the index file because this is the main file. And you'll see the port when it loads up. Okay, so now it's loading. Okay, so you see the port that's right here. It says 90. So you want to change that to a number that is higher or less. It cannot be the same as your other bots, so you have to know what your other bots are. So if this one's 90, your next bot could be like 100, 70, but it cannot be the same as the other bots, because then if you try to run it, it's going to say it's already in use and it's going to crash. So you want to always change the port so that they're each running on different ports, but it's the same server. You know what I mean? And then after you do that, we're going to get out of the root directory. We're going to go to our etc. Then you're going to find Nginx. Right here, Nginx. And then you want to go into conf.d. And then you want to make a new file right here. So if you want, you can duplicate this, but then you're going to have to open it. And you're going to have to change the port in here. So you see how this says 80? You want to change that to whatever your new bot is. So this is the only thing that's going to match your bot. So this port has to be the same as your new bot. So each time you add this, it has to be the same. But each bot has their own port. If you're confused, then just join the Discord server. Make a join our support right here. Bot hosting support. It is a subscription, so you have to pay $19.99, which is like $20 a month to access that channel. But if you're a staff member, you get access for free. So yeah, where was I? Okay, so after you change that, you want to go into the var folder. So you don't know where we're at. We're basically at the very beginning. See, there's root, there's the etc, and then there's the var. So you want to open up var, and you'll see www. You want to click that, and then you want to where is that I guess I didn't make one, but usually you can make this. I don't know if that's optional. I think it is. Yeah, it probably is optional, so you don't have to add a var folder. So just go into the etc nginx and then the conf.d and then duplicate this. So you can just right click. I don't think there's a duplicate button. So what you want to do is you want to press copy like this, I think. Or no, actually what you want to do, you want to do it in the terminal. Or we can do this. I'll show you guys a secret. So if you type cd cd/etc/nginx So this is a secret. We're gonna do ls. Okay, now we're gonna go cd conf.d, type ls, and here's a secret command. So cp, you want to type cp dash r. So cp stands for copy, and then the dash r is rename. So basically we're gonna choose one of these. So you type in one of these names, so it could be this one, or you could type that one, it doesn't matter. So we're gonna do this, and then you want to do a space. So then this is whatever you want. So example.local.conf. So basically it's going to make a copy of this and it's going to rename it. So then you're going to have 3 files. So it makes a copy of that, but then it changes the name. So then you have this, and then you have example.local.conf, or whatever you call it. And once you do that, once you change the name, then we can go back into here, open up this window, then you can open this up, or your new one. You can open up the new one. Oh, and also one thing, if it doesn't show up, click this refresh button and then it'll pop up. Okay, so whenever you add a new thing, you click the refresh and it'll pop up. So then you want to open it and change the port, and then you want to click file and save. This is also what you do in the .env file, like I said in the last video. So every time you change something in Notepad, you click file and you click save, and then you can close it. So that way it saves all your progress. And that's everything. And then you can just run the bot as normal. So then you open up the terminal. Let's go all the way back. Slash. And cd root. Okay, now we're all the way back. Okay, now we're in the root folder. So now you want to go into your bot folder, and then you can type node index.js. But first, if you want to keep your bot on, type screen and press enter, press space, and then once you do that, then you can do this and run your bot. So press enter, and then once your bot is loaded, then you press Control AD, it'll detach from the bot, and then you can close this out, and your bot will be online. I need to delete this because the video has not finished. Okay. So yeah, that's it for the video. So yeah. You guys have any questions? Join Discord server. I don't, tell me in the comments if let me know in the comments if the invite link isn't working, cause you guys have to verify. So actually, I think the link is still valid. If I go to invites, you can see all the links. So here's the infinite link right here. See, never expires. I'm gonna revoke these invites because those expire, but this one has infinite uses, So yeah, I can pause invites, but I'm not going to do that. So just join, use my bot, do /verify, and then type your Roblox username, and it automatically gets your user ID. So then you click that and press enter, and then it gives you this code. You want to copy this code, go to Roblox. What just happened? Oh, I thought my screen went black. Okay, and then you want to go to your profile, and then you want to go to the about right here. You want to click this, and you want to, you can keep your bio, just make sure you put the code up here, and then you can save it and it'll still work. So you don't have to get rid of your bio. You just have to put the code somewhere in your bio, and then you click save. Okay, but if you have the pen, you have to go to settings and turn off the pen, and then come back and edit. And then once you do that, then you click done, and it will do this. So we'll check if you're verified. You can also unverify, so I can do unverify, type my username, and press enter. And then I can type /verify, and then it gives me a different code each time. If I do that, it'll say unable to verify your account, so, and it auto deletes, so you have, oh, my bad. Sometimes it will crash. See? Unable to verify your account, and it auto deletes. So yeah, that's pretty much what it does. So I have a force verify where it bypasses that. So then you just do this. Basically it bypasses the code, so you don't need a code if, but I made it where only staff can use the force verify, so a member cannot do that. Okay, so yeah, just join up and purchase a subscription, and you can get some support. We also, so we have 30 different channels that are subscriptions, so yeah. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Peace. I want you so bad. My bad, guys. I showed the wrong thing. I meant to do the outro. Sorry.